Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your CDHA. First of all, you have to open your Google Chrome web browser and on the top, type down CDHA, login and enter it after you're done. And over here, you have to click the first option that says sign in CDHA. And after you click on that option, you will get into an interface like this where you are required with a membership number and your password. And your password as well, make sure you type down your correct password. And if you have forgotten your username or forgotten your password or lost access to your password, you are also available with two options that says forgot username or your password. And after that, you can simply click on this option if you have forgotten your username or your password. And after that, you can click in this option that says sign in and then you'll be successfully logged into your CDHA account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.